So to create a new virtual environment on Python, you can see I have an empty folder here with just print hello here. So let's run this for you to see. Okay, then you can see now our console is printing out hello. But we want to run this code in a virtual environment. So in order to do that, I have to write Python 3. I write Python 3 because I'm using Mac. If you are using Windows, you just need to write Python 3 -m, then you write vnv, where you put .vnv, hit enter, and that should okay. Now you see we notice the new virtual environment has been created. Just click on yes, and if you look down here, you notice that we are now in this virtual environment. In case yours did not show like this, you will click this to select that virtual environment. So in order to make this virtual environment to function and our code, all the code that we will write in Python to run on that virtual environment, we need to first key this terminal and then we run the code. Sorry, let me take that out. Now let's rerun this. Okay, now you notice that we are running this code from a new virtual environment. So that's it, guys. That's how to create a virtual environment in Python with VS Code. Thanks.